Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to set a take profit and a stop loss on TradeLocker. So right now we have the Bitcoin chart and hey, let's go. We have green candles right here. But first what we want to do is we go to the symbol that we want to trade. For now, Bitcoin to USD is fine. And then from here, we click here on the arrow. Then from now, we want to select a marked order or a pending order. And then after that, we select sell or buy, what you want. Then after this, we have here two options. If you click here on stop loss, we can decide here the amount where we want to stop our losses, or how many ticks it needs to drop, or how much money we need to lose. If you want to place right here a buy stop loss, we click now here on buy, and then you place the stop loss. If you want to take profit, we click here on take profit, select at how much money we want to take profit. So let's say on this one on 92k, and then after this we need to decide how many ticks we want to take profit, and that is for us $61 profit. So right now, if we want to create this with a take profit, we click here on buy, and then we do confirm, and then we do right here, or create it right here, a take profit order. So this is exactly how this works. So hopefully this was exactly the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.